morning everyone, Happy New Year in the Philippines. But now it's only 10:38 a.m. Kagigising ko lang, so not New Year yet. But it's cold outside, it's snowing. It's snowing. But anyways, oh, that's why I feel hot, like I'm sweaty because we're cooking. So now I'm hot, I'm sweaty. Dan is making spaghetti for later. Right, honey?
Later. I've been up a long time. It is dinner for me.
Is it dinner for you?
What are you doing?
Oh my god, he's like zombie attacking me all the time. I need to shower soon, but because it's gonna be suck. New Year, I have a schedule. I'm working New Year, so I work today at 2 p.m. to 11, an hour before New Year. But anyways, and I'm still working tomorrow, January 1st. But that's life. No. Ayan guys, yung niluluto ni Dan. Boiling pasta and a little bit of sausage and the spaghetti sauce right there.
That sausage just cooked because we had to cook it all.
Yeah?
Yeah?
It's gonna be bad soon? That's why you're seeing them up. What's warm in there? And then I'm drinking coffee and dipping this. My favorite coconut. Happy New Year everyone. I have on the table 12 fruits. Got pineapple and different kinds of fruits, but it's 12 fruits.
Yeah, opal. It's a sweet apple.
Oh, okay, I want to try that. I'm excited. Never had that. Opal sweet apple. Yeah. Tomorrow let's try it. Is it good or not? So yes. So sa Philippines, we always have this like during like New Year. We bought like 12 fruits and we put it on the table.
No. 12 round fruits.
I mean, oh, okay, fine. I mean, in the Philippines, we always do a 12 round fruits at the table, right, honey?
We have more than 12, so we have to have longer than 12 months. We're gonna do a 15-month year. Or is it 14? I ate an apple.
Oh god, why did you eat an apple?
Because we had like 3 or 4 green ones. Stop filming me. I think you're too close to focus.
Oh, okay, yeah. So something.
Yeah, it's like a foot.
You don't like it?
Yeah. I know that flavor, I just don't know what it is.
Like, raisins, something like that?
No.
No?
Not toffee.
Coffee?
No. It's like coffee and toffee. It is.
It is?
I think. Okay, that's just white chocolate with like no flavor. I think the chocolate has coffee mixed in.
Ooh. Let's see. Ooh, my favorites, guys. So this is the chocolate that Dan's gave me on Christmas. It's a lamp creation dessert. And you have how many pairs of that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different types of chocolate. You open it. I eat it all already. Not all, so I still have left.
Is it done, honey?
I want these. This is my favorite. They're good, very good. Actually, all of these, they're good though. Not
Honey.
too bad. Yeah.
You know how to tell if a noodle's done?
What?
Option 1, eating it.
Eating it?
Here's how you really tell.
Do it again, honey. Repeat what you said and try it. I'm gonna do it real quick.
No, I already did. You either filmed it or you didn't.
It's me. Is it done already?
It's al dente.
Not yet.
Like 1 minute.
But yeah, we're making spaghetti. And oh, that sausage is gone. And my vegetables there. Because oh, do you have $1, honey?
No.
No. No cash? I'm gonna get cash later. I'm gonna put it in my fruits. I'm gonna add up like a couple dollars in my fruits later when I get off of work. Do you like that?
I haven't had one with dark chocolate inside.
I like it though. Those are one of my favorite. See? Ooh.
Too close again.
Oh yes. Oh, see, it's focused now. Ooh. Those are my favorite. And the one, and I did it. I finished it already. But yeah, we're still waiting for spaghetti, and then we're going to eat. I'm go to shower and get ready for work, guys. New Year na New Year, may pasok. Do you think my face is getting better? Yes.
It's hard for me to say.
This one is worse. The
Depends
others.
what period of time we're judging from.
This one is worse, but I can see it that it's getting better though. This one is better already. But yay! Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh no. No. Okay, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone. See you later. So guys, katatapos ko lang maligo. It is 12:21. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for work because I'm kind of slow preparing do all that kind of stuff, like preparing dry my hair and makeup a little bit. So yeah, I'm sorry for the noise because I'm in the bathroom. That's the bathroom fan. So it is 12:21 and I'll go ahead and do my skincare routine and see you later, guys. So ayan guys, tapos na ako, magbibihis lang ako at papasok na sa trabaho. Hopefully I'm gonna get off early tonight before midnight. We'll see. I wish I could go home early, like 6 o'clock, so that New Year's Eve I'm home already. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and get ready for work. See you later, guys. So guys, ayan yung mga kapatid ko sa Pilipinas. They do a little bit exchange gift. Yeah, that's my dad, my younger brother Warren, Jude, my dad again, and Warren. They're like showing their gift together. My dad holding the gift with Warren again, and my dad, my mother, my mom, and my younger sister. My sister again holding the gift, giving to my mom. Sister again, sister, brothers, Jobert and Jude, Chris and Jude, Jude and Sandy, same. Chris and Sunday, they're having a little gift, holding a little gift. Warren, my younger sister, my sister, and my brother. Oh, this is like fun. They're having a little Christmas party. My mom and my brother, and that's the neighbors having party on the terrace. I think that's it. That is showing my little exchange gift, my family in the Philippines. It's just been nice to see them, like they're having fun, enjoying the New Year. That's of pictures is in New Year's Eve, and I guess it's ready to go to work. And I'll see you later, guys. I'm heading to work. Bye. Hello guys, I'm just gonna end this video. So how are you guys? I miss you all, guys. I've been so busy. I have to work December 24th and I have off only 25th, And after 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, first 7 days, I have to work straight. So I've been busy a couple weeks ago. So today is January the 2nd. I miss you all, guys. Haven't uploaded videos like maybe for like almost a week. So kumusta kayong lahat, guys? So today is January the 2nd. It's my day off today and tomorrow, so kind of I have a time to play with my camera for 2 days, so that will be fun. I miss my camera and I miss you all, guys. Kumusta yung New Year nyo at saka yung Christmas nyo? Comment down below kung ano yung mga experience nyo yung Christmas and New Year Eve. Ako, wala. Work. Yayaman tayo niyan. Joke lang. So, ngayon, ano bang gagawin ko ngayon? Tatanggalin ko na. I'm gonna put down my Christmas tree because Christmas is over. So, tatanggalin ko yung mga Christmas tree. Ililigpit ko na yan. I think that's it. Liligpit ko na, guys, yung Christmas tree ko. Yan. Kailangan ko na yung iligpit. May mga gift pa nga sa likod. Yan. Kailangan ko na yung iligpit. So, bye Christmas tree. See you 2020. So, yeah, guys. Yeah, ano ko lang siya. Oops. So, ililigpit ko yung Christmas tree ko. Mamaya, pagkakain ko, anong oras na? Launa na pala ngayon. So, it's 1:23 p.m. So, yeah, ililigpit ko yung Christmas tree at it's time to tago na natin. So, yeah, alauna ng hapon ngayon. So, that's it, guys, for all this video. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and New Year, and I will see you on my next vlog. Thank you, guys. Bye. Ay, ang ganda ng lightning dito. Kaliligo ko lang. Ang ganda ng lightning dito. Oop. Ganda talaga ng camera na to. Ang bilis makafocus. Yan. Yan. Focus. Wala. Test natin yung camera. Ilagay ko ulit yung kamay ko. Focus natin. Focus. Yan. Yan siya, nagpo-focus siya. But anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!